Summer heat is no match for today's review as we look at the SNOCOD 16000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. This unit promises big cooling power for large rooms along with smart features and multi-mode functionality, aiming to keep your space comfortable all season long. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core performance and the range of features. The SNOCOD AC offers a powerful 16000 BTU cooling capacity, which is great for effectively cooling large rooms up. Its 5-in-1 design means you get an air conditioner, dehumidifier, fan, sleep mode, and a 24-hour timer, offering excellent versatility. You can control this unit using a smart Wi-Fi app, the included remote, or its LED touch panel, providing convenient. While a quiet sleep mode is highlighted, specific decibel levels are not provided, which makes it harder to precisely gauge. Overall, the SNOCOD 16000 BTU Portable AC provides robust cooling capability and a great suite. Next, we'll evaluate how easy this portable AC is to set up and move. With 360-degree rolling casters, built-in side handles, and an adjustable window kit included, this unit offers good portability and a straightforward setup process. There is no specific energy efficiency ratio or similar rating provided, which makes it challenging to predict its long-term impact. Considering its powerful 16000 BTU capacity, 5-in-1 functionality, and smart control options, the $350. The product includes a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, which provides a good period of coverage and peace of mind for you. This SNOCOD unit shines in practical usability with easy portability and a solid warranty, offering good. The SNOCOD 16000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is a compelling option if you need serious cooling power for a larger living area or bedroom. Its 5-in-1 functionality and smart control options add significant convenience, offering more than just basic cooling.